You guys are feeling well. As of right now, it's 51 degrees, but it feels like 43 degrees, which means it's a little nippy out. Hence why your girl is wet. Well, I love robes anyway, but we have a robe and a pajama set because it's a little nippy. It's chilly, but it's not cold when it's like cut the heat on yet. It's like just layer up a little bit. You'll be all right. Let's start the vlog right now. Why not? The event that I'm actually going to go to, shout out to Miss Nita Danielle. I don't know if it's in this vlog or not, but last Sunday, what do my brother want? Give me a second.
You look woke now, hey sunshine?
Ain't no, you look woke now. I was tired last night.
Hey sister.
Let me call you back in 2 seconds. I'm finishing up the video, and then I'm gonna call you right back.
Okay, tell the video I said hey.
Say hi. I'm gonna call you right back. What was I talking about? Shout out to Miss Nita Danielle. I was telling you guys that last Sunday, she made a post. She's actually a content creator. She's an entrepreneur. She's a businesswoman. She's all the things. And I've been following her for a few years now. And she posted it to check out an event. Like, ooh, this would be a nice event to go to. So I sent it to a few of my friends and family members. Like, hey, would you guys be interested? The name of the event is called Bibles and Bites 2025. An evening of food, faith, and fellowship hosted by Coach Safana. Yes, but we pray that when we purchase this ticket, then one is going to be a great event. I'm going to learn, I'm going to grow, make connections, meet other women, all the things. And then when I get back home tonight, there will be a park outside. The post came across my eyes for a reason. And then it's another opportunity to connect with other women from around the world, because it's not just people from Illinois that will be attending. Buying our ticket. Shout out to Miss Nita Danielle for posting about it. Yeah. And hopefully I actually get a chance to meet her, because I think she's actually going to be coming to the event as well. Hopefully we get a chance to get a picture. She's so sweet online. Ticket is secured. Maybe I have my seat at the table. So we going. We are going. Now, baby, the weather feels nice out here.
It ain't nice down here.
I mean, it's sad. I checked the weather before I left. I said 43 degrees. But it feels really good. Maybe I can put my little open toe. See, I was going to switch it to the closed toe here. I told the young man that there's a lot of bird in my car. He said, oh, we're going to take care of it. I hope it come all off, because you put on some clothes, you want your car to be clean, you know what I'm saying? And it looked like it came off the front. Now, it's all in the trunk and stuff, too. I parked under a tree, and maybe the birds had a good old time. So that's what I was thinking, but I was like, I don't have time to pack a bag for church tomorrow, too. The hair up. Situation. There's a comb at the bottom, and then also has a drawstring. Not too much, because I still want the curls to be defined. See, I didn't even check nothing. I just signed up and was like, okay, we good. You know what you're wearing already?
Some kitten heels or some booty.
Come on, kitten heel. Yeah. These little pieces right here, we're actually going to flip this up. Now you see my regular ponytail. We're going to add this part of the wig to my ponytail. twist it around, bring it through. And then this is my natural hair. We're gonna try to smooth it out. And all we're gonna do is wrap it around. It's a ponytail like so. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And then we're gonna do our makeup time and then get dressed. Alright guys, so we are officially having everything all laid out. I'm sure you want to do like a just dressy, casual, chic look, in my opinion. So I want to do like, I know I want to do one of these black jackets, but if I want to do the white chunky heel, if I want to do the skinny black heels, or if I want to do the black chunky heels. I don't know at this event if we are going to be like meet and greeting with the other ladies, like walking around type of meet and greet, or is it more of meeting the people that's going to be at the round table? I don't know. So I may lean towards the more chunkier heels, just comfort wise, because you're gonna wear skinny heel in a long time. As we get dressed, hey, as we get dressed. We are kind of rushing at this point, but we are dressed. We are getting dressed. I think I've decided that we're gonna do the black boot. I don't know. I still wanna. Oh, new belt. I'm gonna try on white boot. See. That's probably my friend texting like, girl, did you leave out yet? Okay. Alright. It's too big now. Ponytail, and then I can do the white turtleneck with the black jacket. Let's see, we're gonna put the accessories, everything on. We got these little cute earrings. My pants is fitting extra big today. I don't know why they fit big right now. Falling off, my rings falling off my fingers. Like this. This white is cute. I'm not late. I'm just later than the time that I wanted to leave to give myself 30 minutes, depending on traffic and parking. Get there on time, but I want it to be a little early so that I won't be lost. You know what I'm saying? Maybe your girl losing some weight, because look at the belt. It's even big. I don't know what's happening today. Okay. This is cute. This is one option. That's my full outfit when I get there. Let's go. Tag on the white shoes and this jacket. I think we can do this. Yeah, this is the look. I think it turned out cute. And let's go to the event. Bye. Alright guys, we have made it in the car. I wanted to take the street out there, but it would take about an hour and 15 minutes. But because your girl was indecisive about this shoe and this jacket, we don't have the extra time. Because then if we take the street, it's gonna take, we get there like 7:10, and I don't want to be late because I already don't. I mean, it's an event, so you don't want to walk in late and have all eyes on you like, hey, oop, that's the late girl. Like I said, this place is a little ways out. I've never been to this location before, this area at all, which is why I wanted to take the street. But we're going to take the highway, and it's saying that I get there at 6:48. And I got to put one of my shoes back on because the heel is too high to drive in. So, yeah, I'm super excited. I feel good. I look good. I'm excited about this experience. Yeah, I'm not sure if we can record in there or not, but if we can, I'm going to have my little mini tripod and maybe capture a few moments of the event.
As a therapist. This two showed out to no difference. Better
All you see is lights in the back. You just drive in, huh? Do they got a no turn on right there out here? I'm nervous.
I
They
think
see.
it's a turn. They don't say it.
Let me see. Ain't no cars coming. It's so dark.
Exactly. Look, we don't even know.
That is definitely you behind me. Listen, them lights was coming in bright. You hear me? Fast. Okay, the clubhouse. Baby, nothing but space and opportunity. Okay. Now we met on the E-way coming on. Oh, she cute. Hey, girl.
Hey, girl. Let's go in here and get some words.
Okay, and a little bite to eat. They said dinner on us. Whew, now I can put my shoe back on. Hey, vlog, can y'all see me now? We are. Baby, I can drink some water. I can breathe. Baby, that E-way was a mess. I never taken that route before, so, and I don't like being confused. Your girl was a little nervous. Now we put our boot back on. Lord, we have made it safely. Even though it's sip. And we right on time. The other people coming in now. I see y'all when we get inside.
Just bought your ticket, didn't you?
Mm-hmm. We
What's
both
your
did.
name?
Jessica.
Listen, take them outside. What the, how did you come to be here?
Nita Danielle. I saw her post last Sunday, and then I sent the message to her and a few of my friends and family. I said, we need to be there.
Welcome. Please put your name tag on. We want to be able to call you by your name.
Okay.
Your name is important.
Thank you for having us. She said, you know you fine, don't you?
Although it sounds like a question, it's not a question. It's a declaration. Come on.
Mm-hmm.
By show of hands, how many of you are? I'm gonna raise my hands. Monty, how many of you all have been somewhere that you've been invited to, but when you got there, you didn't feel welcome? Okay, I'm not by myself. Doesn't feel good, does it? I hate it. Hurt. Only when you invited to Bibles and Lights tonight, you all are welcome. What does that mean? We want you here. We appreciate your presence. We are glad out of all of the many things that you could have chose to do, you decided to spend the evening with us. We appreciate you. We love you. We celebrate you, and we honor you as our special guest. This year's theme.
So nice to meet you.
More than like two lion cubs to get up. Relax. It's not bad. I thought it was cool.
I said, all right,
Y'all, the event was really, really, really good. I enjoyed myself. It is now 11:41. And girl, like I said, we are on our way home. About 15 minutes, so we should make it home by 12 o'clock a.m. At this point, I'm just going to sleep like this. And just be like, okay, we're ready for church tomorrow. She will be doing this event again next year. But it will be in Detroit. Back in Detroit, because this made the second year that she actually hosted this event. I'll put her name at the bottom so you guys can go follow her. And also go check out her page and her website, because she also has an academy. She has different courses, classes, one-on-ones, all of the things that you can check out on her website. So, guys, we have officially made it back home. Obviously, the outfit turned out really, really cute. With the event, I did receive some compliments today. Thank you, ladies. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.